Hello and welcome. I'd like to go over how you want to go back and take the written test within Budget Challenge and just give you some strategies on what you can do to maximize your grade. And again, that's the most important thing. Again, just to reiterate, I do not record individual scores within Schoology for this. It does go back to your bonus at the very bottom here when you're ranking stats. Again, we talk about points. So once the game starts, you're getting points. And again, one way for points is through these quizzes. So here it tells me that I have 2 outstanding quizzes. So here's what I think you should do before you take the quiz. So I'm going to click on this link here. It's the same as going back to view details here. So we'll open up down below. I'm going to show you the quizzes that you have to do. You should try to do one of these quizzes a week. Again, don't wait to the very end. Some will be open until the end of the game, but again, you want to do these first. So the pre-simulation assessment, this is the one that closes on the 15th, so we need to take care of that now. So before you take the quiz, here's what I suggest. If you click on the Getting Started quiz, open this up, it will talk about, okay, where is this unit, or where is this information coming from? Typically, you're going to have unit material here, does the same thing, but this will be specific topics underneath this. So what I'd recommend is to open links in maybe new windows or tabs so you can have those available to you, again, before you take the quiz. So again, just to confirm before you click on this Take Now, okay, you can go back and see, all right, it's actually, in this case, it's linking all back to the same unit. So really, there's no need to open up individual ones unless they go to different units. So for example, on this pre-simulation assessment, I noticed here, it does have different sections of the book. So in this case, you'd want to open these up individually. Open link in new tab. So again, it should have the by the way one. Open link in new tab. This will have the next thing for CW3, which is all talking about the retirement investing. And then you want to open up the 621. So like I said, if they're all within the same unit, you probably don't have to open up individually. But again, if they are, typically they are. So again, you want to go back and check that out. And you want to have those open. So when you go back and do the quiz, when you take now, again, you can refer back to the original unit with this. So again, I'm just going to click on the first one here, open link in new tab, and it's this one here, by the way, unit 1. So I would maybe pull this aside, go half screen with this, go back in your budget challenge, and you want to probably go back and start the quiz. Let me, again, with all the windows open, it gets confusing. So here's where you can take now. And this way, again, you can go half screen where you can have the Getting Started quiz. And again, you can look up the answers here. When you're over here, you can hit Control F to do a find on the page, where you can do a search if you're using Chrome. And again, so that would be something you can go back and do to look up this. Again, it's publisher based. So the Getting Started quiz, in this case, looks like maybe there's 10 questions. You want to hit submit. And again, do the best you can. They do count toward your rankings, and that's a strategy. Always open up the lessons that go along with the quiz. Again, half screen, and then go back and forth between the quiz and the screen. So again, that's the strategy with this. I believe you should be able to pick up a quiz if you're halfway through. You should remember where you have left off. That's been my feedback from students in the past, and hopefully that continues now. If you have any questions, let me know. But again, just to reiterate, again, I don't record the quizzes individually, and if there's a specific due date, I cannot control due dates. Again, this simulation is through Budget Challenge. You have to meet those deadlines. So here's a case where you must meet the deadline. Let me know if you have questions.